So you haven't been on a date in 8 years?
I haven't had any interaction with women in any way.
Now this is bad, my last relationship.
Oh no.
Yeah.
You start out saying this is bad.
The character is very important, but I have to be attracted to them, of course.
They say the best way to get to one's heart is through the stomach, but can a dish spark a second chance at love? Today, 3 singles will cook to compete for a date with Dawn. This is Date to Dish.
Hi, my name is Dawn, and I'm 55 years old, and I'm a project/business manager. I look for honesty, humor, and brilliance. I want somebody that I can talk to about anything. The last date I went on was months ago.
How did that go?
Not memorable.
Hopefully today is memorable for you.
Hopefully today is memorable.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing great, and you?
I'm well, thank you. I'm Dawn.
I'm Chris. It's a pleasure to meet you.
My pleasure, Chris.
Are you hungry?
I am.
Yeah.
Anybody over there?
Yes.
Hi, my name is Ron. How you doing?
Oh, hi, Ron.
I'm good. I hope you're hungry. I'm sorry, what's your name again? I'm sorry.
Dawn.
Dawn and Ron, I like that.
So I'm going to be making you a nice dish.
Okay.
Salmon, potatoes, and asparagus. I love salmon. I love
Okay.
fish.
I'm gonna make you some nice pasta today.
Okay.
With shrimp. I'm an improvisational chef, so I like to create and be creative and let my creative juices flow.
I'm preparing one of my favorites, oxtail.
Oh, you
You
know,
ever had oxtail before?
I think I've had oxtails before, but
You
I
never had
can't
mine.
remember.
You never had mine. These are gonna be
Okay.
tender.
Okay.
Melt in your mouth like cotton candy.
Okay.
You ready for that?
Sure.
Like stuff melt in your mouth?
Where are you from?
Originally, I'm from Cleveland, Ohio.
I have southern roots, but I'm from Detroit.
I am from Connecticut. How about you?
Oh, okay. I'm from Texas.
And so how long have you been here from Texas?
I've been here from Georgia.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you said Texas.
I am from Texas,
Oh,
but I
okay,
moved here
originally.
from Georgia.
What brought you out here?
I just wanted to change. I wasn't a big fan of Georgia. What are you putting on the potatoes?
It's Italian seasoning.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I love Italian seasoning.
Okay.
And I love olive oil.
Okay.
And just because I spent some time in Europe and I really got into the Italian and the French culture.
What was your favorite place? Where all were you in Europe?
I like Monte Carlo.
Okay.
Who doesn't like Monte Carlo? Because I've seen the best fireworks in Monte Carlo.
Nice.
So it's kind of like a roast beef kind of texture. I'm gonna marinate it real good. I'm gonna sear it. I got some thyme. I got some Slap Your Mama. I got some Lowry's.
I know about Tony's Creole soup.
Tony's Creoles, that's a good one too. I like Slap Your Mama better because it makes your taste buds pop.
Okay.
As you will, as you say.
I'm sauteing this garlic and red
It
pepper
smells
flakes.
amazing.
Yes, we're gonna get that smell going. I wanna put a few capers in there. I've been on this kick lately where I like to season the shrimp up
Okay.
and keep them separate and then add them in so they have their own flavor.
So what do you do for work?
Project management. How about
Project
you?
management. Right now I'm a personal driver, or you can say a chauffeur,
Okay.
for very exclusive talent managers and celebrities, if you say.
I've done a variety of things, but now I'm a project manager. And you?
I do a lot of different things around town.
Okay.
Some within the culinary industry and some within the entertainment industry.
So Vincent, when was the last time you went on a date?
Oh, not too long ago, actually, because I'm on a dating app.
Really? Wow. Putting yourself out there.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Why not, right?
Right. I'm not on the dating apps. I've not been on a date in a really long time.
No, I've been on a couple. I wasn't very satisfied, so. The character is very important, but the looks, of course. I have to be attracted to them, of course.
Where would you suggest for our first date?
So let's go for a horseback ride, and then after that, let's go listen to some music in the park, and let's treat ourselves with some dessert afterwards. At my place, on the balcony, serenaded by my guitar, which I'm learning, so it might not sound that great, but you'll get the gist of it.
I worked with Anthony Bourdain back in the day in New York City.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I ended up working at a few different restaurants around New York, and I was a server and a bartender, and I found out I had a love of food.
I have some olive oil that I made freshly.
What?
Not the olive oil freshly, but rosemary olive oil that I actually bought fresh rosemary and let it infuse for like 3 or 4 or 5 days.
Wow. What else do you cook besides salmon?
I make mean French toast. I love French toast.
Okay.
Yeah.
What makes your French toast special?
Vanilla extract.
That's how I make mine.
Do you really?
And a little gold rum.
Oh, okay.
Italian food is one of my favorites. It's just so easy. And it's so easy to impress people. I think everybody knows that, right?
Where'd you learn to cook?
I was always a relationship guy, and I always had women cook for me, and I never paid attention. But once I became single, I had to learn how to cook. So thanks to YouTube University, I learned a lot about how to cook. So I would say I'm not gourmet, but I'm all right. I'm better than the average guy. I tell you what.
I'm going to continue to put the potatoes on the sheet pan, and we're gonna go roast these bad boys.
How well can you handle friendly competition? We're gonna take it back to college days with the little game called Flip the Cup. I don't think I played this game in college, did you? Drink,
No, I did not.
flip, and repeat. Winner gets a sweet and cheeky surprise.
Ready, guys?
Have you played this before?
No.
Okay.
3,
Okay, good.
2, 1, go.
You've already got one? Wrong. Oh,
Oh, shoot.
how does he get any and I got none? Nice job.
I love games and sports. A Hershey Kiss?
Yes.
Should I give Dawn a kiss too?
So is this one of your go-to recipes?
This is my special occasion recipe. I don't make this all because you ought to pat yourself on the back. Because I don't do this for everybody. So I'm flying in the cream mushroom soup right now. This is for the brown gravy.
Okay.
That's gonna go with the oxtail. Little sneak of taste there.
No.
I'm about to place the asparagus on the sheet and the salmon, but I'm gonna marinate the asparagus with a little bit of butter and rosemary olive oil. I think you'll like that.
When was your last date?
8 years since I split up with my last girlfriend, so.
So you haven't been
yeah.
on a date in 8 years?
I haven't had any interaction with women in any way. Life happens, the pandemic happened, I moved, I'm a grown adult, I don't drink. I'm coming up on 13 years of an alcohol-free life.
Okay,
That changes
congratulations.
your whole life. Thank you, thank you. Anybody who's really kind of stubborn and set in their ways and not open, worries too much about everything.
Red flags for me, guys that are mansplaining to me and not asked any questions. They've just talked about themselves the whole time.
I'll do a herb roasted chicken. I do steak pretty good. I love salmon though. I would do some salmon in a minute. I'm more of a dog person. I mean, nothing against cats. I've had both. Now this is bad. My last relationship.
Oh no.
Yeah.
You start out saying this is bad.
I had actually caught COVID, right? But she wasn't there for me. I go to the casino, I got my head down, I look up and it's her going down the escalator with another dude. But she did not give a damn.
It's time to spice things up with a game of Never Have I Ever, Kitchen Edition. So
All right.
I'm gonna give you a prompt, and if you have done it, you have to take a spicy punishment.
Given out by who?
By me.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Never have I ever licked a spoon and put it back in the jar. I haven't done that. You?
Yeah, I've done that.
Licked a spoon and put it back in the jar?
Yeah, I'm a bachelor. I live by myself. Who
Yeah,
doesn't?
yeah,
That's
get one of
normal.
these.
That's
Yeah.
American. All right,
I did.
I'll do it. I'll do it just for you.
Okay.
Spicy. Ooh.
Are you scared of spice guys?
No, I'm not scared.
Then yeah, go for it.
All right, okay. It's not bad. It's not really spicy. It's not. If it is, it's not hitting me yet.
Never have I ever dropped food on the floor, picked it up and eaten it.
Wait a minute now. I grew up poor and we didn't waste food. Come on.
Let me tell you, I believe in the 5-second rule. Okay, try this one. I want to know what that one is too. What is that one?
It's not good.
Oh, okay, I'm not gonna, sorry. Sorry. Okay, this is a good one.
I'm sweating.
Never have I ever used whipped cream for non-dessert purposes.
Oh, this is
Okay,
not
go
fair.
ahead.
You know I have.
Oh, then
You know I have.
Okay, here's one of
Wait,
those.
did you say you haven't?
I have.
Oh, I'm about to say, because I'm believing.
Hot tamale.
Now, based on the sound of my voice, describe how you think I look.
You're kind of tall.
Okay.
You're wearing a green shirt.
Well, duh, you see that.
I have no idea.
Really? I thought maybe my voice gave off the Denzel from the side, just from the side profile.
Not.
I get there, they say, oh no.
Okay, and then I'm going to place lemon on the salmon to give it a little citrus flavor. One of the restaurants I really like is a French restaurant called Bacardi.
Okay.
I like Mercedes Grill, Greenleaf, Cellini's, Italian. Are you aware of any of those?
No.
You're not? So taking her to a restaurant would be very nice. I
Well,
think
it's
so.
not that I don't go to restaurants, I just haven't been to those.
Is there something that you both are not willing to compromise in a relationship?
I'm not willing to compromise my independence. I need more lemon in this.
I'm not willing to compromise my values.
Values, yes.
Don, do you like bread?
I do, but I
Good.
try to avoid it because it's unhealthy.
But this bread is really good. Artesian, it's gluten-free from the farms of Brazil.
Oh, really?
I know the farm. I got people. I got sources.
So you're an only child.
I am.
So your family's kind of small, though.
My mother's side of the family is Puerto Rican, so she had 4 older brothers and they all had kids.
Oh, okay.
And the other side of my family is, I don't know, English or American. Yeah, everybody got married, everybody except me.
I marinated the asparagus, except the salmon, and I'm gonna go put it in the oven.
Sounds good. All right,
right.
so Chris,
Yes.
this game says, let's test your problem-solving skills with a game of Guess the Dish. You'll see a few food emojis, and your job is to guess the dish they're hinting at. Ready to read between the bites and crack the code?
Okay.
All right, there are your 3. Peaches, a pie, and ice cream.
Well, peach, I see a butt, I see a tush, and the pie.
Okay, this is a food dish.
Peach ice cream pie.
No.
I give up, I'm
All right,
sorry.
no problem. It's peach cobbler.
Peach cobbler, of course it's peach
no,
cobbler.
you know what? I think if we had some
Oh my
shoes-
goodness.
Okay,
Yeah.
the next one you'll probably get. Eggplant.
Eggplant parmesan.
There you
Eggplant
go.
caponata. I don't know, it's some kind of eggplant.
Nice
something.
job.
Yeah.
Nice job. You got it the first try. Thank you.
Some broth. So you
Okay.
can dip the bread in the broth. Give you a cute serving. I don't want to do too much because, I want
Okay.
you light on your feet when we go out. I want you to have energy.
Okay.
'Cause I'm very energetic. I don't know if you can tell, but I know how to tone it down.
The food is ready. I am going to start placing it on the plate. 1 piece of salmon, a little bit of balsamic.
What's the craziest thing you've done for love?
Don, you wanna go first?
I'm a fantastic present giver. My ex-husband from like a lifetime ago was a huge Steelers fan, and I surprised him with tickets to the Monday Night Football game at Three Rivers Stadium.
I've done more for my mother, probably crazy things, like surprise her with flyers and stuff like that. I would say just out of the blue, sometimes sporadically, I would drive far away to see someone. And I don't normally do that.
How far did you travel?
2-3 hours. I would say to me that's kind of crazy.
So I'm just gonna put a little lemon zest on here, finish with some black pepper. And there we have pasta alla Cristobal.
First impressions of each other?
I feel something about her. She's articulate. She's intelligent.
Ron is really funny and he cooks well.
Thank you.
I would say she sounds very lovely and intelligent.
Same. Sounds very intelligent, really nice.
You have a wonderful energy that bleeds right through over here, so.
Chris is thoughtful. I love his rings, and this food looks amazing.
Okay, so Dawn, I have your oxtail ready with a little bit of bread. This is the dish.
Ooh.
And I hope you like it, my love.
Don, 3 guys cooked for you today, but unfortunately, one of them has to go.
Ron was hysterical. I don't think I've ever had oxtails before. I'm all about hearty comfort food, so that one looked great. Chris's dish, hands down. I mean, he's been in the restaurants for 35 years, but he seems really sweet, and I want to try that one too. And then Vincent, it wasn't as fun. The other 2 gentlemen were very talkative, and we had some banter, so it wasn't as easy, so I'm eliminating him. Like a romantic gesture, like you drove 30 miles to see someone? That's the craziest thing you've done.
Don, are you ready to meet Vincent?
I am.
Surprise!
Hi.
How are you?
I'm great, how are you?
Nice to finally meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I hope you enjoyed the meal.
I like the dimples.
And that's being honest.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're tall too. 5.
Thank
Five,
you.
5.
9.
Nice. Nice.
It looks healthy,
What
but
kind of
yours
pasta?
looks so
Oh, it's gonna tell your stomach.
comforting.
And it is. Oh, that it
Oh,
sings
I
to
would have
you.
loved to just,
That's Motown right there. That's the Temptations right there.
Can I just let both of you know, thank you so much for, taking the time to make these meals. They look incredible. I'm gonna try the oxtails first.
Hope you enjoy it. Take your time. Savor everything. To taste the time. It's time in there. If she likes the gravy, she definitely gonna like the meat.
What? Excuse me? I can smell it.
She's still going for seconds. That's a good sign, right? She's going for more.
Very good sign, brother.
I love all the flavors. Like, it's seasoned really well. It's really rich. It makes my mouth happy.
That's what I'm going for. To make women's mouth happy.
What's that?
To make women's mouths happy. It's
To make women's mouths happy.
Got your first
That's good.
Okay, this is good too. These are both so good.
And?
There can only be one.
And I like eating both of them. This is very rich.
Uh-oh. Alive! Oh! Sacre bleu! Oh, you did it,
all
brother.
right, brother.
You did it. Oh, you did it.
Brother.
Here goes nothing. Oh, Don, look at you. I'm looking and I'm liking. Yes, he's a very lucky man.
you so
Thank
much.
you. See? I fell for you, girl. I just fell for you.
Oh, you did that on purpose.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh my God, can I have a little nip?
Yeah, it's good.
I need time by myself.
It's time for you to go.
Take your plate.
Nice to meet you. You're gorgeous, my God.
Thank you. Thank you.
Don, are you ready to meet Chris?
Yes, I am.
Hello, Dawn. How are you? What a beautiful smile you have. What a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you. Thanks for this. Delicious.
Oh, I'm so glad you
pasta.
enjoyed it and you
It's
kept
amazing.
eating it. Like I
Definitely.
said, I haven't cooked for anybody in a long time. I really didn't expect that you would pick mine, but wow.
You know what? I want you to try this.
Thank you.
for sure.
I am a little hungry, actually.
Okay.
That's pretty good.